Hello, how are you? I am back again, and today I'm going to unbox my pop socket order with you. So if you don't know what pop sockets are, they are these little gadgety things here. They're basically an iPhone holder and they make filming much easier. They mean that you can like prop your phone on a table and have it at a nice angle. And also not only that, but if you're a dropper like I am, they're a really nice way to hold your phone and have like more security. And yeah, I just feel like I've got a better grip of my phone when I've got a pop socket on. So I just find them useful for everything. I'm never without a pop socket. I've been using them for years. I'm a huge fan. And yeah, I just always have a pop socket on my phone for everything from filming and just general security. And yeah, the ability to like prop my phone on a table. So there are two types of pop sockets. This one, which is like an adhesive one, which you literally just stick to the back of your iPhone, and another type, which is magnetic. And basically, I wanted to get myself a magnetic one because I have this iPhone case and I had a magnetic pop socket, but Mary took it off and stole it, and I do not know where she put it. So I bought myself another magnetic pop socket. But if you don't have a MagSafe case, then don't worry, because you can basically convert your regular iPhone case and stick a magnet in it. They give you the magnet, don't worry. And then you can basically use a MagSafe one for your regular iPhone by converting it, or you can buy a MagSafe iPhone case already done. Does that make sense? Anyway, let me show you my new pop socket because it's so cute, and I'll show you how it sticks to the iPhone case as well. So this is the box it comes in. And this is my MagSafe pop socket. So you can see it's got a magnet there, and then it's got the pop socket at the back. And basically to attach it, all you do is literally done. You drop it on, and yeah, it's attached and it is really secure as well. So that is really handy. But if you prefer just an adhesive one, you can buy the self-adhesive ones as well. But your MagSafe one will come with the converter kit inside, so you can basically just stick the magnet on your back of your regular iPhone case. Have I made sense? Anyway, this is my new pop socket and it is so pretty. And then let me show you what else I got, because I am so excited about this. In fact, I'm so excited I bought two. So this is the pop socket pop mount, and this is basically an iPhone stand. So these are pretty genius. You can either have them on the table and like use it as like a stand, or you can use it to film, or you can have them basically upside down. So if you want to film in your car, you stick it here and then you put your pop socket in the little pop socket holder, and then you can basically film upside down in your car. Does that make sense? Or you can put it on a mirror, or you can put it like on a surface, whatever you want, but you can use it to like watch TV, you can use it to film, literally anything that you want. So basically how it works is at the bottom you've got a sticker which is also a suction. And then this middle section is fully movable. Like, I don't know if you can see, but like you can move that there. And then you can also move this top bit, and you can also rotate it as well. So basically you can get the perfect filming angle no matter if you're filming from up here down or from down here up. Does that make sense? Or you could literally stick it on the wall, and yeah, that would work too. It's crazy. Like, you know, when you're like, I feel like this is going to change my life, which is why I bought two. One for home, one for my car. And if you're nervous about the sticky bit running out of sticky, then don't worry, it does actually use suction. And not only that, but inside the box you get a spare one of these. So if after a while it does lose its stickiness, you can just whip the old one off and put the new one on, and yeah, you'll have a new sticky pad. But of course it also uses suction, so you don't have to worry. So you don't have to put it in one place and then never move it. You can have it all over the place. And yeah, I'm really excited about it. That's why I got two. So I'm just going to show you here, but this is how it mounts to the windscreen. So you can literally use it as like your sat nav, or you can stick it to like your mount dashboard. You can also have it on a tabletop and kind of move the screen around, and you can have it landscape or portrait too. So for instance, if I was wanting to use my mirror as where I film and put my thing, what I would basically do is take the sticky bit off, place it on, which I'm gonna do now. I hope I don't place it on in a place that I'm not happy with. Let's just give that a go. And then I want to film landscape, so I'm going to have it here, and I might want to move it a little bit like that. But what I'll do is I'll pop it in, and yeah, we'll do it together. Also, I need to change my iPhone case because I want to use my new iPhone case with my new pop socket. Ah, that's better. Here's my new iPhone case, my new pop socket. Right, let's pop it in the mount. Okay, so it is in the mount, but what I can do is I can rotate it so it's portrait, here I am, or I can rotate it so it's landscape. And then if I want it to kind of move around a bit, like up and then like face it more down, so I'm more at like this angle, I can, and you can just kind of have a play around with it and have it at your perfect angle. But of course, if I want to kind of put it further down the mirror, I can do that too. Let me show you. So here I am, I'm just further down the mirror, and all I did was I literally just unstuck it, unsuctioned it, and put it down further on my mirror. And I can do that, and I can move it around and like be here. And yeah, it's just, oh, you can see all my laundry. Let's not do that. But yeah, basically you can just move it around, reposition it, have it landscape, have it portrait. And yeah, I just thought it'd be a bit of a game changer for me. And I can use both hands and no longer have to like hold my phone in my hand all the time. So yeah, I was so impressed with the concept that I bought two. So yeah, one for my car, one for my house, and hopefully it will be a game changer for everything from like watching TV to being on my computer to, I don't know, filming in the car to using my sat nav, everything. So yeah, that is me. I feel really weird having both hands free. I'm so used to like holding my phone here. Anyway, that is my video. That is my unboxing. Let me know what you think. And yeah, I'll do a full review of the mount soon if you would like. Okay, bye.